First, a look at the damage. Taj, Lake City is likely going to be without power through the night.
That's right. The sky is finally quiet here, but damage like this is what happened when the furious tornado just ripped through the town. This is honestly the worst of it. This is where South Central Calhoun's buses are kept, but now they're trapped under a hunk of twisted metal. And damage like this, as you said, it's going to take a long time to clean up, and it was a terrifying couple of hours for everybody here.
The rain was too hard to see through.
Lake City's angry storm turned into a tornado, which left behind a trail of damage.
Through town, there's lots of power lines, trees down.
In addition to the trees, the tornado also tossed around shingles and metal panels. A massive mess, but no injuries. However, Emergency Management Director Shane Voigt says the storm left Lake City in the dark.
That's mainly what we'll have is the power back, I'm hearing possibly as early as tomorrow morning, and then lots of tree debris cleanup.
That will not be the most challenging cleanup caused by the storm. A hauler of hogs tipped over on Highway 175 east of town, where people including Tanner Fissler had to think fast and corralled pigs before they got away.
Just for us to get in a car accident, for pigs it's even worse because they're packed in there and they weren't happy.
Fissler helped the hogs, then helped clean up anything else he could around Lake City. He says selflessness is needed in this hard time, just as it was when another tornado struck Lake City 6 years ago.
I was in high school then. We had to transition through all that when they ripped the roof off the school, so kind of been through it before. Kind of helped the community out. Everybody's one big family here.
As the Emergency Management Director mentioned, the power likely won't be back on in Lake City until tomorrow morning. However, the fire department does have a generator running, and they say they welcome anybody who has or who just can't stand the heat and doesn't have air conditioning. So if you need a cool place to sleep, the fire department is open, but there's going to be a lot of work to do in the days ahead here.
Absolutely. Taj Simmons reporting live from Lake City tonight. Thank you.